Time to change the transmission fluid after 37 hard hours of riding on my 2025 KTM 300 Hard Enduro. I'm Officer Oil. I'm a police officer for a local department in Maryland, and outside of law enforcement, I support my family as a certified AMSOIL wholesaler. To help support me and my channel, please like, please subscribe, please share, or click on any of my links, or simply visit officeroil.com for wholesale. Now let's get into it. Now this is going to be the bike's third oil change. It has 59 and a half hours on it currently. I did my first transmission fluid change at 1 hour per the book. Then I did it again just in case there were any other like factory wear metals or anything in there. I did that at 22 hours, and now I'm at 59 and a half. So I've been just over 37 hours of hard riding on this thing, because I love doing hard enduro, hard single track, and I'm constantly in that friction zone and constantly working on that clutch. So this fluid has taken a beating. So KTM recommends a transmission fluid change at 45 hours on this bike. Now, I've analyzed the AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike transmission fluid on this. I've analyzed it. I'll share those in some other videos on a different bike, and it performed beautifully, absolutely beautiful. But 45 hours is what they recommend. Are you comfortable with that? So how do you feel about what KTM says for this? 45 hours, are you comfortable with that? Do you go longer? Do you try to do it at 45 hours? Or maybe do you do it more often, and why? Please comment below and let me know. But 37 hours, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing drained out here. Now, what you want to do is get the bike nice and warm. I did that. I went out and spun around circles and everything. So the transmission is nice and warm, nice and warm. And you want to do that so that the fluid will drain out and we can get as much of the old out as we can before putting in that new liquid gold. Now, you might be wondering what this little green thing is. So I created this. I cut this out of a laundry detergent jug, and I shove it in there to create a little trough so that I don't have to remove my skid plate, or do I make a mess. So simple, easy, but I'm always getting a lot of haters out there. They're like, hey, you got to remove your skid plate. No, you don't. You don't, because I created this, and so could you. Super easy, and it just sticks right in there. See? Just like that. And I can put it at an angle, and then I got a straight shot to the drain plug right there. One thing I'm going to do real quick is use some AMSOIL brake and parts cleaner, and I'm just going to spray it on my work area. There we go. And over here at the fill plug. There we go. All right, let's crack this thing loose. All right. There we go. And remove. There we go. Dirty oil. That's what it looks like, 37 hours. What do you think of this magnetic drain plug? Good, bad, or ugly? What are you guys seeing out there? While that keeps dripping, we're going to get this cleaned up here. The magnet is doing its job. Finish it off with some more brake and parts cleaner. There you go. spotless. Now, just to give it a little help, I'm going to give the bike a lean. There comes a little bit more. Let's get all that old fluid out. Okay, so we're down to a very slow drip here. I'm happy with it. I've cleaned off my magnetic drain plug and I've added a brand new crush washer. Say that 5 times really fast. All right, let's reinstall. All right, let's reinstall the drain plug. There we go. Correct torque spec is 20 Newton meters, and I got that all teed up. Let's get rid of this. There we go. There we go. We'll give it another quick spray. Go. Now I'm going to be filling it up with AMSOIL synthetic dirt bike transmission fluid. It's an 80 weight, an SAE 80 weight. It was designed specifically for 2-stroke transmissions. This stuff is amazing. Again, I'll show in another video some of my oil analysis reports, but this is going to give you that constant clutch feel, going to get better wear protection. Unlike a lot of other motor oils that also are wet clutch compatible, so say like a 15W50 or a 10W50, that oil has to lubricate the engine, but also the transmission. This is designed specifically for the transmission. So you definitely don't want to run this in an engine that is wet clutch or wet sump. But this is what it looks like right here. To see exactly what your bike recommends, go to my website, officeroil.com. Go there, click on my lookup guide. It'll tell you exactly what we recommend for your dirt bike, your truck, your car, your boat, your small engine, you name it, we have it on there. But click on that link, officeroil.com, go through my link. It helps me out. If you decide to check out by going through my link, it helps me earn credit for it. But you'll see exactly how much fluid and what we do recommend. So for this here, it's 0.8 liters in this dirt bike, which works out to just over 27 ounces of oil. So let's get this added in here. Oh, and KTM even made it right on the bottle. So I'm actually going to use, based on my picture here, I'm going to use cubic centimeters. It's just a little bit cleaner with the lines. So 0.8 liters equates to 800 cubic centimeters. And I got a perfect line right there. 500, and then I'll do 300. Be good to go. There we go. That's about 400. I need to add a little more. And get the last little bit. New bottle. There we go. All right, I got the first 500 cubic centimeters of liquid AMSOIL gold. Okay, here it comes. Listen for it. Ready? Ah! Clean oil. Oh, yeah. All right, 300 more milliliters or cubic centimeters on the way. Here we go. Let me check where I am here. Where am I going? Ah, I see it now. Here we go. And stop. There we go. And the last little bit here. There we go. And we're going to let that drain and get every last drop. Now, the best way to see if you have the correct oil level is to use this check bolt right here. They've got a level check here. You just got to take out one bolt and then it'll start to drip out once it's full. But I'm not going to do that. I don't want to have to use a crush washer, and I'm going to have to put a little oil. It's going to drip out. So I'm confident with my measurements. 800 cubic centimeters, 0.8 liters. I put it in there. I'm confident. I leaned it all the way over. I'm good with it. I'm not going to do it. Would you do it? Would you still check it? Or would you trust your measurements? Let me know. This is that oil level bolt right there. Take that guy out right there. While I wait, I'm going to put a little bit of oil, just kind of wet this rubber gasket here on my oil fill cap. Would you do that? I don't know. I just cleaned it off with some brake cleaner, but I'm going to put a little oil on it just to get a nice seal and help extend the life of this gasket because I don't want to have to replace this thing. So if you're new to AMSOIL, just simply, again, visit my website, officeroil.com, by clicking on my links. That helps support me, and I earn credit for the sale. If you're a do-it-yourselfer and you're changing oil like me here in the garage, you've got a small family fleet, no big fleet or repair shop or retail store, we have an excellent program called the AMSOIL Preferred Customer Program. It works a lot like a BJ's or a Sam's Club membership. You pay $20 a year. You get access to the entire AMSOIL store at up to 25% off, and they'll drop ship it right to your house. You can order it right from your underwear, sitting in your living room or your bathroom. Super easy. You log in, prices drop down 25%. It is a great program. Even my own parents are preferred customers, and they'll drop ship it right to you anywhere in the US or Canada. Now, if you have a fleet, maybe you have a landscape company or a trucking company or an excavating company, or maybe you work for a municipality or state government or something, and you like to ride dirt bikes. Well, we've got a great commercial program where you can earn up to 40% off, and get even better pricing than what I get for it. So that link, I'll put that below as well. So also, if you have a repair shop or a retail store, with that program, we can help you advertise your business, get you some signage. You'll get up to, if you're an installer, you can earn up to 40% off as well. So 40% below our retail price. And then our retail stores, so auto parts stores, hardware stores, you'll earn an incredible co-op credit program to get all kinds of really cool swag and signage and advertising support and reimbursements and all kinds of really good things. But if you have questions, just reach out to me. Let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Easy to get a hold of. Again, officeroil.com. And if you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe. Please show me some love and help boost that algorithm, and give me a comment as well. I really appreciate it. We are about good here. Let's clean this up. Clean that up. Let's put our cap back on. There we go. And we're just going to snug this up. Do not over tighten. Go. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. And if you're out ripping, you ride dirt bikes, ATVs, side-by-sides, and you're anywhere near Virginia, we also have another business I have is we own a moto and shooting Airbnb down at Lake Anna, Virginia, in Orange, Virginia. And it's a private 93-acre playground. You can come in. ride our tracks, ride our trails, use the shooting range, stay in the 5-bedroom house. So if you want to look into that, that is called Throttle Therapy Lake Anna. Throttle Therapy Lake Anna. Check us out there. We're all over social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube as well. So everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. OfficerOil.com for wholesale.